Have you ever wondered how Linux boots up?
Yes, I have. It's a complex process.
Definitely. Did you know that the first act commences with the initiation of the SMPS, converting AC to DC power?
I didn't know that. What happens next?
BIOS takes the stage, loading and executing the MBR, setting the stage for the entrance of the installation process led by Anaconda.
That's interesting. What about the duel of BIOS types?
UEFI and MBR battle it out. UEFI supports GPT in 128 primary partitions, while MBR sticks to 4 primary partitions.
I see. What happens after that?
Grub takes the baton from BIOS, loading and executing the kernel, a pivotal moment in the Linux Symphony.
And then?
Systemd takes over, conducting the orchestra through default.target and graphical.target, determining the sequence and prerequisites for the programs to follow.
What's next?
A Jetty invites users to enter their credentials, paving the way for the login process to unfold.
I see. And then?
Bash leads the procession as the Linux orchestra reaches its crescendo, fully embracing its user.
Wow, that's fascinating. The Linux boot process is a symphony of intricate processes.
Yes, it is. And understanding it is crucial for any Linux user.
Definitely. Thanks for explaining it so well.